Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Auger motor run capacitor in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new Auger motor run capacitor. The Auger motor run capacitor is mounted inside the main control board compartment at the back of the refrigerator. It makes it easier for the Auger motor to run. If the Auger motor is not running, check the Auger motor run capacitor and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to get to the rear of the fridge and take off this access panel. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to take out the 3 screws that actually holds the panel. And lift it off. There's a tab here in the corner. So this is the Auger motor capacitor in the upper left corner. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to take off that wires from the terminals. And then we can take out that single Phillips screw on the top here that actually holds the capacitor. There you go. This is the old Auger motor run capacitor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to first install the wires on the terminals. Then we're going to slide the new capacitor in and secure it with a Phillips screw. All right. And now we can put the access panel back on. The access panel has a tab at the bottom that goes into that slot. So we're going to put it in and lift it up. And I'm going to put 3 Phillips screws. I'm going to start with the top ones. Just put them in, don't tighten them yet. We need to make sure that the bottom one is in first before we tighten the top ones. And now we can tighten them both on the top. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.